Okay, you have to go live in the YouTube.
Okay, going live. All right, we should
Once
do
the
that
video
now.
starts playing on everyone's YouTube, you'll have to mute the YouTube video.
Yep, muted.
Yeah, I can see that now.
Yep. Okay, got it. All right, so that's how it's going to appear on YouTube. So Francisco, in the chat, there's a YouTube link, and if you click on it, it will take you to the YouTube, and everything that we are allowing YouTube to see will be on YouTube.
So do I have to go to YouTube?
No, you don't have to, but we just want to show you what it's going to look like.
Okay.
So if you click onto the YouTube, you'll see that's what the screen will show. It has that, it has, you know, it says engineering spotlight. In each one of these boxes, it's going to have your face, and it'll have the moderators. It'll only be 4 boxes on the tomorrow, and not 5. I think the panelists will be on the left-hand side, and the moderators are the smaller boxes, and they'll be on your right-hand side.
Okay.
But there's absolutely nothing that you have to do, Francisco, so you don't have to worry about that. The only thing that we ask is that all 4 of you stay in the WebEx until we are finished.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Otherwise, it messes up all the boxes, as we can see.
Okay.
Right?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, now I've seen the YouTube with the correct boxes.
All right.
The other 2 tips would be just don't open the YouTube video, the YouTube link while you're on the call, and just keep yourself unmuted. Because if you mute yourself, sometimes that makes your box disappear, depending on the person's WebEx settings. So just not risk anything once you're in the call. Just leave the computer as is.
So basically, Francisco, just to make it nice and simple, you don't have to do anything in regards to YouTube at all. All you have to do is come in to the WebEx room, and that's it.
That's what I'm doing.
Yeah. So we're just trying to show you what everyone else is going to see on the day, right?
Yeah, I just saw that. Yep.
So he's resizing everything right now, so you can just see.
Okay.
So that's kind of basically what it's going to look like.
Yeah, so what it looks like right now is basically what it should look like tomorrow, with all the boxes now correct.
Mm-hmm.
Can you show the screen, Sebastian?
You know what? I can share my screen. That's what it's going to look like.
Okay, perfect.
Right?
Yep.
Okay. All right. Trying to think. So Lakshmi, I was just telling Evan that if you guys want, I have to come in tomorrow in order to do this, because I like to be in the same room with Sebastian and Alex at the same time. So we will be in Weeks Hall, Suite 405, if you guys need a place to set up your laptops, and you know, you can work in one of the conference rooms. We have 2.
No, that'd be appreciated. The only issue I see is the fact that I have a class on College Ave until 4:20, so it might be a little bit of a rush for me to get back, but I can definitely try.
Okay. Well, it's totally up to you. Whatever you want, whatever works for you, right? 4:20. Yeah, the buses. I just don't know how the buses run, right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
But you're most welcome to come to Weeks Hall if it works out for you.
I appreciate that. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Alex and Sebastian, anything else that you want us to let Francisco and Dr. Gong know?
No, I think we covered everything. Just good night's rest. See you guys tomorrow.
Good night's rest.
Good night's rest. It's always
Sounds
important.
like a big heavy lifting job tomorrow.
Heavy lifting, very heavy lifting. Actually, Dr. Gong, it's probably better if you don't have a background. because you know when you have a background, you like things go
Move
in
around.
and
I know.
out.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
I know what you mean. I'm gonna clean up my basement a bit.
Yeah, maybe hang like a big Rutgers flag behind you or something.
I have my Texas flag behind me.
Texas, okay.
I have my Longhorn, like you see. If I don't have it, see that Longhorn flag
Oh,
behind me
I
sitting on
see.
a chair.
Okay. Yeah, it's probably better if you don't have a background.
Yeah.
Sometimes you look kind of like ghostly, like when you move. So
I got you. What I mean, yeah.
okay. All right. I know Francisco's on the phone right now. Alex, can you find any instructions to send to him on how he would be able to get his name set up in WebEx on
I'll look into that.
yeah. And that would be the only thing I think. Yeah, so Lakshmi, you get out of class at 4:20. So we were going to meet up at 4:30. So that leaves you 10 minutes. So I don't know.
I have a room booked at Alexander Library, like a study room, so I can go in there. I can pull up my laptop or my tablet, and I can be 6 feet away from everybody, so I don't bother anybody. So that's kind of my plan right now.
Okay, perfect. Okay, that's good. Yeah, and Evan, if you can find a place that you don't have to, like I said, I offered you Weeks Hall, but so you don't have to wear a mask, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, Francisco, we're good and set to go. Alex is going to see if he can find you some instructions on what to do in order to get your name to appear properly. And then
Okay, I'll try it anyway.
we're good. We're good. Even if you just appear as Francisco, we know who you are and everyone's going to know who you are. But if we can find you something, we'll send it to you for sure.
Okay, thank you.
All right, guys. So we'll see everyone tomorrow at 4:30. 4:30 Eastern Standard Time.
Yep,
Okay,
Which
sounds
is what
good.
you're
send me an
about.
invitation. Thank you. I'll hold.
Yeah. I will send out the WebEx today, right now. In fact, when I sign off here.
Okay, thank you so much.
All right, bye, guys.
Thank you
Thank you.
guys.
Bye.
Bye.
See you guys tomorrow.
Thank you, everybody.
Bye.
Bye. Alex and Sebastian, just hang on for a sec. Okay, guys. Cool. Great. Awesome. So I will be we